Hello everyone, this is my second video. Anyone miss my first video, please watch that video first and come to this video. Today I am discuss about revising subnetting VLSM. Okay, let's move to the video. You can see I am created 5 networks. PC, switch, router, all are connected together. You can see. First you can see this network area A, and this is network area B, C, D and E. Okay, let's move our configuration parts. First, I'm assign IP address in PC in network A area 192.168.1. This network address is 192.168.1.0, and this router interface G00. I'm assign first IP address, and next IP address I assign this network PC, and also this PC IP address is 192.168.1.2. subnet mask, and default gateway is 1.1. Okay, next I move to network B PC, same as this network. This router interface G0/1. I am assign 192.168.2.1 IP address, and this PC I am assign 192.168.2.2. Default gateway is 2.1. Okay, it's done, and I move to network C PC. And I am assign IP address 192.168.3.2. Default gateway is 3.1. Okay, close it. And next I move to network D PC. IP address 192.168.4.2, and default gateway is 4.1. Close it. Okay, all the PCs I am assigned IP addresses. Next I move to this network router. You can see 2 routers. First I open first router, go CLI and enable router. After enable configuration mode, configure terminal, and interface G0/0. You can see this interface in network A. IP address 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask 255.255.255 and 0. No shutdown. Okay, next interface G0/1. This network B. IP address IP at 192.168.2.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255 and 0. No shutdown. Okay, and next interface Next interface is network E. Interface G0/2 IP address 192.168.5.1. This interface I am assigned 5.1 IP address, and this router interface G0/2 I am assigned 5.2 IP address, and also subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, router interface sign completed, and next I move to next router. Okay, open CLI, enable configure terminal, and interface G02. This interface I'm assigned IP at 192.160.5.2 and subnet 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. And next interface G00. This network C interface IP at 192.68.3.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. And next I create next interface G0/1 IP address 192.168.4.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, now you can see all the ports are now in green color. Before assign IP addresses, you can see all the ports are in red color, but now coming to green color. Okay, next go to this router, and this diagram have 5 networks, and also 2 routers are in here. This all the networks are connected together. Okay, before start today video, I am talk about our today topic is revising subnetting VLSM. Therefore, next I create IP route for these two networks, and this network. We are now connect all together. Okay, first move router 1, exit IP route. Now this I'm in this router. I am routing this network. Therefore, first I am type this network address 192.168.3.0. Okay, and next type 255.255.255.0. They are subnet mask. And next I type next hop IP address. It means now I am type this router, this interface IP address 192.168.5.2. Now I press enter. Okay, it's done. And next move to this network. You can see IP route this network 40 and same subnet mask and same next hop IP address. Press enter. Okay, it's done. Okay, next move to next router. Okay, exit IP route. This now I am in this router. First I am IP routing this network. This network address is 192.168.1.0 and their subnet are 255.255.255.0 and next hop IP address means this interface IP address 192.168.5.1. Press enter. Okay, now IP routing this network. Press IP routing this network address is 20 and same subnet mask and same next IP hop address. So press enter. Okay, now you can select packets and send and receive. It's not working. Over. Done. Sorry, it's now working. You can see all the packets share any networks. Yeah, it's well. Now I ping IP address. Go to I am select this network PC. Go to command prompt. Type ping. I am ping this network C PC and type ping 192.168.3.2. You can see all the packet are sent and received. It's done. Now I am select next network D. Okay, you can see it's all the packet are sent. Okay, finally you can see all the networks are working perfectly. All the packets are sent and received. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Next video I will update soon. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.